So next is time of maximum height. Just tell me when will my cannonball will reach maximum height? When will my cannonball will reach maximum height? Look at
Where
it.
the Vy
Vy.
where the Vy becomes 0.
Okay. So when the y component of the velocity becomes 0 over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Will be attaining maximum height.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
what is the formula of Vy? So Vy, a particular time,
V naught sin theta minus
or instead of a, I will be writing g. Okay, for the gravitational acceleration. So for
Yes, sir.
maximum height, Vy is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Simple mathematics.
yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What can you interpret it from this formula?
Time required to reach the maximum height.
तो इसका मतलब क्या है? What does it mean? कि अगर if I fire my cannonball, okay, so उसको कितना टाइम लगेगा? कितना टाइम लगेगा मैक्सिमम हाइट पहुंचने में? This will be given by this formula. मैंने अगर कैननबॉल छोड़ा है तो उसको कितना टाइम लगेगा एक पर्टिकुलर मैक्सिमम हाइट पहुंचने में? By this formula, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी आप you all might be thinking कि सर ने तो अभी तक बताया नहीं कि मैक्सिमम हाइट का फॉर्मूला क्या है, राइट? टाइम कैलकुलेट कर लिया, बट व्हाट अबाउट द मैक्सिमम हाइट फॉर्मूला? Just tell me maximum height is attained in x-axis or y-axis?
Y-axis.
Y-axis. Y-axis. Y-axis.
We will be using y-axis. We will be using y-axis to calculate maximum height. Just tell me the formula for getting the position of a cannonball along y-axis. What was the formula?
V sin theta t minus half 80 square.
Minus half 80 square.
Half 80 square.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let y is equal to hm, maximum height. I have just changed the symbol. What will be the time over here? There is the formula. In this formula, there is time t, right? In place of what will I be putting?
The form.
अच्छा, इसके पहले जो टाइम किया था वो टाइम किसका था? Am I audible to everybody? Okay. So in this formula there is t. In place of t, I have to put some value, right? So which time should I put over here? What we are
V naught sin theta upon 0.
Time of maximum height.
Maximum height.
maximum time maximum height कब reach होगा? जब maximum time होगा, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The value of Tm, that is equal to of V naught sin naught upon G.
theta G.
upon G.
Minus, in place of A, I am writing G, okay?
Yeah.
Whole square.
Hmm.
So I will be taking out common as V naught sin theta naught square whole square by G.
Ah. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So 1 minus
Sunny. Sunny check.
half G by G, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Hmm.
So it will be, should I rub this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So maximum height will be V naught sin theta naught whole square upon 2G. Fine, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, look at the equation. I want everybody to look at the equation. 4 equation we have derived. Sorry, six equation. X, Y, Vy, Vx, Tm and Hm. सारे equation देखो. Can you find something common in every equation?
V.
V not V
V.
sin theta.
V.
V sin theta.
V.
अच्छा, that V sin theta,
V.
जो V sin theta है, उसमें जो V है, वो कौन सा V है? Initial velocity है.
Hmm.
हाँ.
If I want, if I want to solve all these 6 equation, I required only 2 things: initial velocity and the angle. क्या मैं solve
Yes.
कर सब कुछ?
हाँ sir.
Yes.
Only 2 things, and you can design your own cannonball or topka gola, whatever you want to say, design, right? समझ में आया? In all,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
in all these 6 equations, there are 2 things required. That is initial velocity. Obviously, you must be knowing the initial velocity क्योंकि तुम खुद ही फुटबॉल को लात मारने वाले हो, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
एंगल भी तुमको पता होगा कि तुम कितने एंगल पे उसको मारने वाले हो, right?
Yes, sir.
So with the help
Yes.
of these 2 things, you can easily derive all the required value. Fine. Okay. So up till this, we have derived the maximum height, और इस maximum height पे reach करने के लिए the maximum time also we have derived. That is y axis वाला सारा काम खत्म हो गया. Y axis वाला सारा काम खत्म हो गया. क्योंकि हमारा मेन पर्पस, व्हाट वाज आवर मेन पर्पस? फर्स्ट वाज रेंज और दूसरा क्या था? हाइट. तो
Height.
हाइट इज ओवर. अब बचा क्या?
Range.
Range.
ओके, कि कितने दूर तक मेरा तोप का गोला विल स्ट्राइक द एनिमी. ओके, दैट इज माय रेंज. अब वो रेंज का फॉर्मूला
Yes.
भी होना चाहिए, राइट?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Just a second. Okay. What I have written?
Time to complete whole flight.
Time
to
to
complete
complete whole flight.
whole height.
Flight matlab from here till it hits the ground again, right? This is my
Yes, sir.
time of flight.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक पहुँचने में the football require how much time that we have to calculate, right?
Yes.
See, previously what we have done, we have calculate maximum height, right? Maximum,
Yes,
the
sir.
maximum time for a height. To reach the maximum height, we have calculated time. Similarly, to reach the maximum range, we have to first calculate the time and then we will be calculating the range. जैसे y-axis के लिए किया, पहले we have taken the time, right? And after that we have derived for the maximum height. The range we will be doing.
Yes.
So time to complete whole flight. Just tell me, मेरा whole flight कब complete होगा?
जब VX
जब प्रोजेक्टाइल
VX
VX
zero.
जब VX
Vx 0 होगा?
नहीं नहीं.
जब
VY
Vy 0 होगा?
हाँ
Suppose फुटबॉल ने इस पॉइंट पे टच किया, the football is touching ground over here, so Vx will still be there, right? Vx will still be there,
VY0
and Vy will be downward.
Yes, sir.
And then by Newton third law,
every action is
right?
bounce होगा
हाँ
bounce
सर.
होगा
Neither the Vx will become 0, neither nor Vy, right? But after some time, they will both will become 0. But just tell me, over here, can I say my Y is 0?
हाँ
yes
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
yes कैनन बोला
So my Y will be 0. So it will be V naught sine theta half gt square is equal to, right?
हाँ
So dt will cancel out. So dt
Yes.
is equal to
V0 sin theta
not
2 V0 sin theta
sorry 2 times V naught sine theta upon g, right?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, sir. So TF is equal to 2 times V naught sine theta by g. Just compare the time of flight with the maximum time. Just compare it. What you can see? Just compare it with the time.
it 2 times it double
the
velocity is double
Right?
हाँ
Get double. Okay? So
Yes,
can I,
sir.
so can I write time of flight is equal to 2 times of time of maximum height, time for attaining maximum height.
हाँ
Okay, copy it down fast.
done sir
Done, sir.
Himanshu, you
done sir
anything? Himanshu,
Done, sir.
done, sir.
done. Himanshu Singh.
Sir,
Your Wi-Fi is not working properly. Himanshu Singh.
हाँ सर आज थोड़ा सा वो बारिश के जैसे लगता है प्रॉब्लम चल रही है तो
फाइन, ठीक है, ओके। क्लियर अप टिल हियर एवरीबॉडी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, use your brain and just tell me how can I find the range? Which equation should I use to find the range?
2v naught sin theta
X
by g.
component into time.
Right. We have to use x equation. Okay, x is equal
Into
to
time.
v naught cos theta
Cos theta.
to time,
हाँ
right?
हाँ
Because we
Yes,
have
sir.
to find the range along the x-axis. Okay, so that is the position. So x is equal to v naught cos theta into time, and in place of time we will be putting 2 v naught sin theta by g to calculating the range. Okay, once what is 2 sin theta cos theta?
Yes, sir.
What is 2 sin theta cos theta equal to?
Two sin theta.
1.
1.
Okay, you will learn a trigonometry identity. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
नो सर,
no sir,
no
ये वाला नहीं सीखा।
नहीं सीखा, fine. So 2 sin
Yes, sir. ये वाला नहीं सीखा.
ये वाला नहीं सिखाया
2 sin
सर नहीं सिखाया।
can be written as sin 2 theta. Just remember this thing. 2 sin theta cos theta. You will be studying everything in the mathematics.
Okay.